Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Evergreen Local and Long Distance Movers near me. If you're looking for a trustworthy and cheap evergreen moving company, 3 Movers is the right choice for you. We can help you move your home, apartment, condo, business, furniture, piano, dorm room, or anything else. Our team specializes in local and long distance moving services. When you choose the right options for your long distance move, it becomes easier. We offer the following: packing services. No more worrying about spending weeks packing up your things for your move. We can even do the unpacking for you too. Moving supplies. Our moving supplies are the best on the market to ensure you get the protection you need for even the most fragile items. An on-time move. When movers show up at the scheduled time, you can avoid delays on moving day. Upfront pricing. Get an estimate from us and you will have the transparent pricing you need to set a proper moving budget. Licensed and insured. We make sure all your things are well protected in the hands of our professional movers. The best moving company is the one that can make your relocation easier. While no moving company can help you with every task of settling into a new city, we can certainly take the stress of moving your things off your plate. Whether you're moving 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or 2,000 miles, we are ready to help you. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Evergreen moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.